Hello, Montpelier homeowners. So, I've spoken to you in past videos about the increase in price, the number of days on market, the increase in price per square foot of homes in Montpelier community in Lower Maryland. What's going on? What do we expect for the future? So, we know that the home values, they're going to continue to rise, but as everything has an ending point. So, yes, they're going to rise. I still anticipate that they will stay steady and increase. We'll see more and more properties come out at the 500,000 and above mark. You know, those are ones that are worth that. Those are ones that are strategically positioned and have strategic updates and things like that. So, the buyers are wary of what they're buying. There still is somewhat of a feeding frenzy out there. So we still expect the market to be robust and to be strong as we move into spring and into summer of 2022. Okay, so they have increased. The demand for the houses in Montpelier are consistently strong. I expect that to continue looking at the numbers and the data. This is an ideal location. I mean, between the Baltimore Harbor, we can get to the National Harbor within about 30, maybe 35 minutes or so. There's the ICC. There's lots of job opportunities. There's lots of things to even do right in the city of Laurel. We can go over to Anne Arundel and go to the mall. So there's lots of opportunities. There's entertainment. It's an ideal location, in other words. Okay, and then the Laurel community itself has seen a lot of buyer attention. There's a lot of buyer enthusiasm for Montpelier. Okay, so we expected the buyer demand to remain strong. Now, we do know that the interest rates have ticked up from 3 up into the 5s now. So that will have an impact on what people can purchase, on their purchasing power, as we know. It also has an impact on when you move out and move on to purchase your next dream home as well. But typically, those individuals moving from these houses in Montpelier are not moving up. They're usually moving either to their downsizing, what we call right sizing now, or moving to areas that they've always wanted to move to before. So the impact may not be as significant, particularly in view of if you really maximize the sale of your house. Quite often, Montpelier homeowners that are moving out have quite a bit of equity in the home. So the increasing interest rates, yeah, they do have an impact on everybody that's going to be in the market, whether you're buying or selling. But it'll have less of an impact on those individuals that have lots of equity, that's selling their home for top value here in Montpelier. Okay, so what should we expect? When you actually sell your house, I mean, you should expect steady, positive, and supportive experience from day one. Okay, you should have lots of pictures, professional pictures at that. Okay, none of this stuff with the cell phone and that kind of thing like that. So if you're thinking about selling your home in the next 12 months or so, this is the ideal time to really maximize and leverage the equity in your property and get the top dollar, the most possible from that asset, which is typically your largest asset. And it's also very important to have someone who knows that market, that can help strategically position your property, that can help with the whole home selling process, manage that process while you focus on making your next move, moving into your next chapter. So if you're thinking about selling in the next 12 months or so, now's the time to identify your strategic marketing plan. You need expert help to help you manage this market and really get the most for your property. You want to get started with your strategic plan, mapping that out, the marketing, what needs to happen, what in order for you to really be able to move out and move on within your ideal time frame. So again, for a 15-minute consultation, no obligation, free of charge, call me, Belinda. I'm with Sampson Properties. I'm also a homeowner and happen to be a realtor also in Montpelier. The number is 240-997-1189 for your free 15-minute consultation. And what we'll do is we'll talk about your goals, your time frame. I'll see if this is a good fit for the both of us. And if so, we can move forward from there. Okay? All right. Hope to hear from you soon. And I anticipate, a robust market. Thank you. Bye-bye.